In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Meet on a Windows PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, it might be a case that you've opened up the store, and when you actually search to see if there is a Google Meet app which you can download, you're going to see it doesn't actually come up. So if I open up the Microsoft Store, I'm going to do a quick search for Google Meet. You can see we've got some similar apps come up, for example, like Microsoft Teams, but there is no app on the store for Google Meet. However, it's still absolutely possible to download and install this as an app on your PC, and to do this, all you need to do is make sure that you are using Google Chrome. Now, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, come across to the official website, which is meet.google.com, and once you come across to the website, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots just up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over the cast, save and share option. Now, when you do this, you're going to see a sub menu come up, and you're going to see there's an option here to install Google Meet. Give it a click, and that's going to open up a window at the top where, as you can see, it says install app Google Meet. Click the install button, and what it's going to do is install this as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. So if I come back to my desktop, and you can see we've actually got this installed, there's an app icon down here, which when we double click, it's going to open this as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. So that's how to download and install Google Meet on a Windows PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.